I say, guys, you got to have a plan. And you have to execute the plan, and you have to stay in action even when things are going wrong, because we had a couple things go wrong already. So these two hot water tanks behind me are garbage. We have to replace them. They were not part of the original budget, so we were brainstorming this morning about how to actually take care of the situation over here. We're gonna have the plumber, who is not supposed to start till next week. Jonetta was able to get him in this week so we can get those hot water tanks up and running. Guys, we got to be ready for anything coming your way. This is a lesson for me, to be ready in advance. So next project that I start, I'll know to make sure that there's more contingency money on the side. Keep watching. Hi there. So this is episode 1 of Behind the Bricks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through our new acquisition, and we're going to look upstairs as well as downstairs and look around. So I'm going to appreciate you guys for taking a look. And we're going to talk a little bit about through prices, how I acquired this over the next videos preceding these. So thank you guys for taking a look. Let's go. So this is unit 1. We just got through looking at unit 2, and unit 1 is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit currently. And this is the one that we're going to convert into a 4-bed, 2-bath unit. And this door right here is going to be the entrance to the bottom unit. So get rid of this space, and there'll be a staircase going downstairs from here. So as I said, there's little things that we want to do in here to make it a more cohesive living space and clean it up a little bit. But as I said, the first part is that we're going to start with getting the duplex all squared away, and then we'll talk a little bit about acquisition price. And as you can all see, it's pretty clean. It's not a bad place for someone to live. It's just a good size to it, considering this is a 1-bedroom and the upstairs was a 2-bedroom. But we want to maximize it, so it goes to buying at a lower price so you can add value to it. And as I said, keep on watching and you'll start hearing about the numbers. So this is the 2nd floor unit. We started here first because currently I have a tenant, aka my youngest is moving in today. This is the office. It was a bedroom, but I believe that they're going to use it as an office. So this is the woodwork up here, which looks beautiful. Currently, we're not doing any renovations on the 1st and 2nd floor. As I said in the previous part of the video, this is a 3-2 building. We are converting the basement unit into duplexing it to the 1st floor. So that will become a 4-bedroom, 2-bath unit. Let's take a look at the first apartment, and we do have some work that needs to be done in a little work, but as I said, right now we're going to focus on the rehab of the duplex from the 1st floor to the basement, and then you're going to see the treat that I have in the back for you guys to take a look at. And remember, it's all about the numbers, how I plan to utilize the property, and for me, in this case, I'm going to tell you guys throughout these videos what my intentions are for this property and for my children for the future.
And then he may say, well, if you want it later, just reinstate the permit that you have because it's already on the drawing. And I think the window for that is a year after you're done with.
So now we're at the 2nd building, this acquisition. So the good part here was that we had 2 buildings in one. So most ADUs are usually smaller buildings. This actually is a 3-story ADU. We'll talk about what we intend to do with it. So let's walk through. Hey there, just sitting in here, taking a look at building number 2. As I look around, this is the building that is completely gutted, and I'm hearing water, so I'm trying to figure out where this water is coming from. The pipe there, right there, is leaking water, but we don't know what sparked it to start leaking. So we're gonna check it out and see the cause this to start happening. Everything is a learning process. So this is my first big rehab of this nature. So I'm gonna learn a lot along the way. There are gonna be issues. I have to be mentally prepared that something will go wrong, because if you're prepared in the very beginning that something will go wrong and nothing goes wrong, you feel okay. So at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're mentally preparing yourself what you are about to embark on. So as the journey unfolds, talk to you soon.